Hello! Video about the emergency shutdown of the factory security system and starting the engine without a key. Lexus LX 450D 2019 with the device AST Pro Unlocker, hereinafter simply Unlocker, and AST Pro. This is AST Pro Unlocker. AST Pro device. Tested car Lexus LX 450D 2019. Step 1. The test outside the car. Initially, we check the work of unlocker outside the car. See that the car is closed. Unlocker was pre-connected to the CAN bus into the headlight connector, which can be easily accessed from under the front bumper. Turn on the device and press its button. It's clear from the mirrors that the center lock was unlocked and the car was shut down from the factory security system. Check the driver's door is open. Step 2. The test inside the car. Press the car start button. The engine does not start, and on the dashboard a message about the absence of a key in the salon. The display on the central console shows that the car is under protection. AST Pro device connector is attached to the steering column latch connector. Unlocker is connected to the BCM module. Check that the car door is locked. Turn on unlocker and click on its button. From the mirrors, it can be seen that the car doors are unlocked and the factory security system is switched off. Now we connect AST Pro to the car. Its LED lights up green. Close the driver's door. The ignition is turned on and the engine starts. Steering wheel and automatic transmission are unlocked. Again, close the driver's door. On the dashboard, a message about the absence of a key in the salon. Disconnect AST Pro. The ignition is turned off and the engine stops. Reconnect AST Pro to the car. And close the driver's door. The ignition is turned on and the engine starts. The message that the key is missing. The test is completed. Conclusion: the AST Pro Unlocker device allows you to disconnect the factory security system Lexus LX 450D 2019 without a key, both outside and inside the car, and the AST Pro device allows you to start the engine urgently. Thanks to everyone for watching.